Welcome back, broke plant eaters. Today we are going to be making a nice warm breakfast pudding topped with some berries. It's amazing, so get ready to take a screenshot because here are the ingredients for your breakfast pudding. These are the ingredients I used. It doesn't mean you have to use the same exact ones, but either way, let's get started. We're going to get a small saucepan. I'm going to spray the inside of my saucepan just so that everything doesn't stick. That's optional. I'm going to throw in my rice, my 3 cups of unsweetened almond milk. So if you're using sweetened almond milk, you can skip the step where we add in vanilla extract. Here I'm going to just throw in some sugar, some cinnamon. I'm going to whisk that around. Cinnamon is pretty difficult to whisk around once you throw it into liquid, but it's cool. We're going to work our way through this. You just want to make sure that it's incorporated. Then, like I said, if you're using vanilla in your milk, go ahead and skip that, but if not, add it in now. So we have chia seeds, hemp seeds, sliced almonds. These are going to make your rice pudding a little crunchy. So it's up to you. If you don't want any crunch and you want this to be a nice, warm, creamy pudding, then go ahead and skip all of that. But all of these components added into this brown rice is just going to make you feel so nice and full. You're adding in so much great, heart-healthy ingredients. This is just an amazing breakfast. It really bumps it up from just being a pudding to a breakfast pudding. You're going to put the lid on once it starts boiling, and you're going to bring it down to a low boil, like a low rumbling boil. And about every 5 minutes, you definitely want to stir this. Normally, when you make rice, you throw it in your pot and you leave it alone, right? Not with this stuff. You definitely want to make sure that you are stirring it around every 5 minutes. And you're going to let that cook for about 30 minutes total. So as you continuously stir this pudding, you will see that it's going to get thicker and thicker as far as consistency is concerned. Do not let this pudding fool you. It is not done for about 30 to 35 minutes. So just continuously stir. You don't want to burn the pudding. Hey guys, if you're digging this video, please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And thanks for sticking around. Go ahead and subscribe so that you can get all of our new videos that we have coming up for you. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you from our last video for all the positive feedback. Right back to this pudding, you're going to want to go ahead and take a taste before you take it off of the burner. Add sugar, do whatever you want at this point. Either way, you're going to take it off the burner and let it sit for about 5 minutes so it gets even thicker. Here are all the components for your berry compote. We're going to explain some of these ingredients, guys. Don't get scared. So in a pan, spray it if you want. And let's throw in our strawberries, let's throw in our blueberries, and let's throw in our orange juice. Here's my secret ingredient. It is lemon essential oil. So this is the kind that is totally ingestible. If you want more information on this, I'm going to leave it all down below in the description box. I'm going to let you know what essential oil brand I use, where you can get them, and all of that good stuff. I'll even leave my email just in case you want to communicate a little bit more about questions or anything you have about it. So totally here for you guys. Either way, let's get back to our compote. If you don't have lemon essential oil, by the way, go ahead and just use regular lemon juice. But that essential oil really bumps up that flavor, and you don't need much. So here, about after 5 minutes or so, I will start popping some of the berries. I don't like to pop all of them because I like to have whole berries in my compote, but I do like to pull some of that blueberry juice out and into the compote because it just makes it so much more rich and syrupy and delicious. And who doesn't like blueberry juice? Hello. Anyway, you're going to want to stir this around until it's kind of simmering, and then you're going to set it aside, and let's get ready to plate up our breakfast pudding with our compote. Like, there's nothing more that I love than warm winter breakfast, like oatmeals and puddings and porridges. Like, oh, just give it all to me, like, for real. And this one is no guilt whatsoever when you're eating this. It's so delicious. It's so filling. It has antioxidants. It has the hemp seed hearts and the chia seeds and almonds. I mean, it's absolutely amazing, guys. If you make this, please don't forget to hashtag a broke plant eater. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. We'd love to see what you've got going on. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time.